I'm doing this lacquer clean, this clear spray, and it seems if it works. You see it's dull. And now it shines nice. Okay, let's check that one. Okay, I'm gonna let it dry. Okay, let the games begin with the strip. This truck is now totally stripped, so I can now do a proper job. Start eating. Come off nicely. Okay, this stuff works good. I'm about ready to rinse it off. You can see all the black paint is lifted, and the yellow looks good as well. And I just want to show you the product that I use. It is okay, I think I'm gonna rinse it now. Okay gents, this is how far I can come with my little spare time after work. So this is the black cabin. I managed to get the black on the outside off, sort of. It's not all, and in the inside there's a lot to do still. And then the base plate of the engine and the cab on the top side is more or less like this. Now you can see where the rust was. And then on the bottom side I still need to do. Okay, and then the glass come out like this. It's still, I've sprayed it last night with clear, so it's still got that milky color, but not shine, but I will give it more and see how it come out. Okay, that's all for now. So I'm going to load this one. So during the week it will be slow, and then the weekend I will finish. Thanks for watching this one.